What's the meaning of bureaucratic? Bureaucratic. Bureaucratic.
Bureaucratic. Bureaucratic. The term bureaucratic refers to a system or process that is characterized by excessive rules and regulations, rigid adherence to procedures, and an emphasis on authority and hierarchy. In such a system, decisions are often slow to be made and can be bogged down by paperwork and red tape. While bureaucracy can be beneficial in some contexts for ensuring consistency and fairness, it can also lead to inefficiency, inflexibility, and frustration. Ultimately, a bureaucratic system can hinder progress and innovation and make it difficult for individuals to achieve their goals.